Why I became a muscle biologist is partly personal because I have a brother with a very severe muscular disorder known as Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And so as I was growing older, I began to see how, my muscles were growing stronger and his were getting quite weaker. And so I think at that moment, it became clear to me that I wanted to get involved in regenerative biology and regenerative medicine. The other aspect of what I really love about being a scientist is the great people that I get to work with, including all the trainees, and helping them reach their full potential and find their own passions. I'm really lucky to be doing my dream job right now. My name is Albert Almada, and my lab studies the mechanisms of how stem cells in our body, how they regenerate tissues and organs. And we typically model this process in the skeletal muscle system of a wide variety of species ranging from lizards to mice and humans. One of the biggest mysteries in regenerative biology is how stem cells in our various tissues, how they actually turn on in response to trauma. And this is exactly where my lab has really made some major contributions in the past couple years. In fact, we've discovered some new early events, new regenerative protein that get turned on within an hour of damage that kick off the healing process by essentially turning on all these critical genes that function at the outside surface of a muscle stem cell. And so a lot of the mechanisms that we're studying, we're exploring their role in the aging process. In addition, there's a whole family of muscle disorders that affects the human population that have no cure. So if we could preserve and protect the stem cell population, we believe that we could develop new therapeutics for all these various conditions that affect the human population. So if that sounds great, I would love to hear from you and tell you more about our research. Come visit our lab. We're looking for trainees and students of all levels. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.